exercise 4.2, loss or gain percentage is always calculated on CP. Now only I underline and tell that. Okay, it's denoted the profit or loss is always calculated on cost price. So that is nothing but CP. Okay, so what's the first answer for your example? Exercise 4.2 is cost price. Okay, the second one, what they mention, we're having a mobile phone is sold for rupees 8,400 at a gain of 20%. The cost price of the mobile phone is dash. Okay, I already did the answer. So what they, I don't know, CP is equal to, I am taking a X. Then what they mention, selling, SP, selling price equal to rupees 8,400. So what is the gain percentage? Equal to 20%, right? That only mention. So I can add this and this. Okay, X plus this 20% from what? CP. So 20% of CP. X is equal to how much? 8,400, because you are going to find out your CP. Okay, X plus, so more than X, so 20% of that X. So X plus 20 by 100x equal to 8,400. So LCM. So 100x plus 20x by 100 is equal to 8,400. So cross multiply. So adding this. So 120x is equal to 8,400 into 100, right? Then 120. So x is equal to 8400 into 100. So 12 I can write 12 into 10. 0 0 will get cancelled, so it's a 1. So in this place I am having a 12. In 12 table 84 which, so 7 12s are 84. So 700. So x is equal to 700 into 10. So x equal to how much? 7,000 for your x. That's only they are asking. So what's the answer? 7,000. So the second one is a 7,000 for your CP. Then third one, an article is sold for rupees 555 at a loss of 1/2%, the cost price of. So that is a profit. So you are finding adding, but it's a loss, right? So what they mention, SP is equal to 555 and loss percentage is equal to 7/1%. So CP is equal to X. So X minus 7/1/2 into X is equal to 555. Are you clear? So loss means the original price minus that price. You are getting this. Okay. Profit means the original price, addition of price, you are getting that. Okay. So if original amount is 10, selling 15 rupees. So 10 plus 5. So the CP plus my percentage of amount, that's 5, is equal to 15 rupees. That's only I am writing. But loss, how can I? Loss should be subtracted, because actually I am getting a less amount only. That's why subtracting. So in this place what I am having? So percentage, right? So x minus, this is what? 7, 14, 15. So 15 by 2 x is equal to 555. So this is a percentage, right? So multiply 100 minus 15 by 2 into 100. Division of 100, right? It's converted into 555. So multiplying 200x minus 15x equal to 555 100. Okay, so subtracting, so 200 and 15. Oh, 9 10. So 5 8 1. So 185x is equal to, multiplying this, so 200 into 555, 0 0. So 2 into 555 ma, 0 balance 1 balance 1 11. So I am having a double 0, so 0. So 1 1 1 0 0. So x equal to 111 0 by 185. Clear? Then I am going to divide. So I can cancel in 5 table, right? So how can I cancel? 185. So 111 000. In 8 table, how many times it will go? 3 7 for 5 table. Okay. In 5 table, this is for 3. 15 for 3 times. 3 so 7 times. So this is 2 times. 10 for 2 times. Again 11. So 2 1. So 2. So 00. So my balance is 22200 by 37. So I am going to divide 22200. So 37. So in 37 table, how many times? 37 into 6 are. 6 are how many times? 42, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So this is 6 times 222. 0, 0, 0. If you are giving down 0, 0, 0, 0. How many times? X is equal to 600. So your third answer is what? 600 CP. So rupees 600 for your CP. Okay. Then a mixture grinder marked at rupees 4,500 sold for rupees 4,140 after discount. The rate of the discount is dash. Asking the rate of the discount. You are going to find out rate of the discount. So what they mentioned, marked price. So marked price is equal to 4,500, right? Then SP, selling price is equal to 4140 after discount this. Okay, after discount this. So what we learned, selling price equal to marked price minus discount. We already studied, right, formula. That formula using selling price equal to marked price minus discount. So what is the selling price? 414 equal to what is this? 4 by 00 minus D. They are asking the rate of the discount. Percentage they are asking. But I am going to find out first of all discount. So I need discount. So what can I do? This D is moving this place. So positive D. This is moving. The positive become a negative. Minus 4140. 4500. So 4140. So 0. Cancelling this. 63. So 360. This is for discount. D. How much rate you are discounting is a 360. Okay, they are asking a rate of. Rate of means discount percentage is equal to discount by market price into 100. I already told. So what's the D? 360 by what is our MP? 4500 into 100. 45 in okay, 36 for in 9 table. 40. This is for how many time it will come? 5 time. Are you clear? So 360 okay by 45. First time dividing by using the 9 table. 36 in 9 table how many time? 4. I am having one more 0. So 0. So 45 in 9 table 5 times. In 5 table 44 8 times. So how much percentage? Already they mentioned in your. So 8%. That's only I written in this place 8%. Okay. So what is your fourth question? 8%. Then fifth question. The total bill of the amount. Shirt cost is this much and t-shirt cost is 325 with GCD which is GST of 5% is. So how much you are paying extra amount? Okay. So they are giving the original amount. Okay. Shirt cost is equal to how much? 575 rupees you are paying. T-shirt how much you are paying? 325. Then adding this 0 1 900. Okay, so total of this is okay. Original amount 900 total cost you are going to this is the original amount. What is your GST 5% for my 500? How much? So 5% of this, so 5% of GST, so 5% of 900, so 5 by 100 into 900, 5 nines are 45. So this much amount you are going to pay extra. So what's the selling? This is the original price 900. You are going to give a 5% of the GST for 45 rupees. So what is the selling price they are giving? 900. What is the total selling price? Plus 40. What's the bill? So this is the original cost. You are paying a 5% of the GST, right? That is a 45 rupees. So how much you are paying with the GST? Rupees 945. Rupees 945 is the bill you are having. How much you are having? 945 rupees you are paying the bill.